Hi everyone, it's Dara. It's the second last day of Christmas ornaments and my table just keeps on deteriorating. So I already have decided what I want to make for the 24th, and that's going to be next. But today I'm going to cheat a little bit. I've got this wooden medallion that I have in my junk journal stash. It's like for the cover of a journal. And I've got this key. I'm gonna see what I can rig up here to put on my tree. All right, so that's my advent calendar, except for the very last day, which will be on Christmas Eve. I was wondering what everyone's favorites were. I'll tell you, I really enjoyed seeing myself progress in terms of getting the scale, what I wanted, and getting the effect that I wanted. You know, there's my first one. It's a bit too small and it's a bit wonky. And then there's my second and third one, I think. And then once I got to the pear and it got a bit bigger, I started to enjoy it more. Definitely for a long time, my favorite has been the pear. But then when I made that toadstool, I was really feeling the love for that little guy. I also do love the little heart. My kids tell me that my pine cone looks like a tree. That's okay. And I was surprised that I like the wreath. And I like my spoon. And I like my little house. And actually those hollies are pretty good too. So overall, I'm quite pleased with the effect of my tree. Thank you so much for coming along with me this December and this countdown to Christmas. And it's been so much fun having you along and having your comments and your likes. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you one more time for this tree for Christmas Eve.